What if your body already knows how to feel clear, calm, and fully recharged? And all it needs is the right signal to unlock it. Everywhere you look, people are running on empty batteries. Their sleep is not refreshing them. Their supplement stack is not helping them. Energy hacks just do not seem to work. Why? Because our biology is out of sync. Introducing ANF Biocoherence. Biocoherence is the state where your nervous, hormonal, and immune systems operate in sync. ANF Biocoherence utilizes non-invasive, wearable discs designed to support the body's natural frequency, so that your baseline returns to normal, keeping you calm, focused, and energetic. ANF Biocoherence is born in clinical practice and used by top-performing healthcare professionals in over 63 countries. Now, this approach is available for individuals who want to be in their best version. When your body's coherent, it functions how it is built to be. You sleep better, get more focused, have higher energy throughout the day. This is where you stop forcing health and allow it to happen naturally. This is the beginning of the biocoherence era. Be among the first to tune in.